I saw a post the other day that really highlighted why it is so important to make sure that if you are getting legal advice off the internet, that you get advice from somebody who is qualified to give it. My name is Katie Carter. I'm a Virginia-based family law attorney, and I practice within the Commonwealth of Virginia. So obviously my experience is centered on this particular geographic area. I definitely welcome practitioners in other areas to chime in and share whether their experiences have been the same or even different, just to add context and nuance to this conversation, because I know it can vary from jurisdiction to jurisdiction. But the question was about shelters. Basically, if a woman flees a situation that is unstable or where she has experienced domestic violence, is that going to hurt her in her divorce or custody case? And the answer given, and the answer that I wish were true, I wish with like every fiber of my being that this was true, but this person said the court is going to look at this as a strength and that it's not going to hurt you in your case. And my answer, unfortunately, is that this is absolutely not the case, or at least that's not been my experience. The court makes custody decisions based on the best interest of the child. And I don't think many courts, if any courts, are going to think that it is in the child's best interest to be living in a shelter. The courts want to see stable, secure housing for children. And a shelter is just not that. So I know for a lot of people there are not a lot of great options, but I would say that a shelter probably is a problematic one from a custody standpoint. But I'm open to other opinions and happy to hear about other experiences if they've actually been different in other family courts across the country.